So the first one is, every year my heart becomes more fixed in this dear paradise, but I'm going to break it up because the Gaelic is quite long. So the first part we're going to do is Hamachria Dalu Nascin agus Nascin. My heart is, I think Dalu is to be getting close to. So Dalu Nascin, closer or nearer, agus Nascin, nearer, so nearer and nearer. So Hamachria Dalu Nascin agus Nascin. Hamachria Dalu Nascin agus Nascin. So what is something like my heart is nearing closer and closer? Hamachria Dalu Nascin agus Nascin. Hamachria Dalu Nascin agus Nascin. Towards the heaven, so towards the this dear heaven rather. So towards this dear heaven every year, which would be Rish and Lanish, I think Lanish, Rulachshaw, Nahul Blien. So Rish and Lanish, which comes from Flanish, Lanish, Rulachshaw, Nahul Blien. So towards this dear heaven or dear paradise every year. Rish and Lanish Rulachshaw Nahul Blien. So what is towards this dear paradise or dear heaven every year? Rish and Lanish Rulachshaw Nahul Blien. Rish and Lanish Rulachshaw Nahul Blien. So just a quick word on Flanish. I think it's Flanus in standard, and then the genitive or the possessing form. So for example, my something something or the something of the something something is Flanish. But apparently, if I'm reading this correctly, it is using Flanish in a possessing or non-genitive way. So it would be called the nominative. Well, really, this would be the dative because it's after Rish. So I don't know. But it's possible because that happens in Perthshire, for example. Jaish, I think, is shears in Perthshire, but it would be Jace, I think, in or Javis, Javis. I don't know how they'd say it in standard, but slightly different. Anyway, back to it. So next one is the Reverend J. Caird, maybe, one of the most celebrated preachers in Scotland, performed the service and electrified all present by a most admirable and beautiful sermon. This all comes from the Diary of Queen Victoria, which is why it sounds a little old, because, well, frankly, it is. So let's break it down. Be and nuved e kjarch. I'm not entirely sure what the J is, whether it's meant to be E, because it's written E. So, Be and nuved e kjarch. The Reverend J. Caird. So it would be Be. So it comes from bu and then e together. So e is the form of the third person. So he, she, it. No, sorry, not she. He, it, rather. But in standard, e would be used pretty much everywhere. But in Perthshire, it only gets used with is and bu. So be and nuved e kjarch. It was the Reverend J. Caird. Be and nuved e kjarch. So what was? It was the Reverend J. Caird. Be'nuver I charge. Be'nuver I charge. Fed jena sharam manichen. I think that's how it's said. As animal an alban. So fed jena sharam manichen as animal an alban. Fed jena sharam manichen as animal an alban. So what is one of the most celebrated preachers in Scotland? Fair jen sharamanichen as animal an alban. Fair jen sharamanichen as animal an alban. Who was performing the service, or in this case, engaged in the service? So my understanding is that ri is used to be like engaged with something. So in this case, he is engaged with the service, so he is performing the service. So varish and charawish, or charavish. I'm not sure if it's probably charawish would be it. So varish and charawish. Varish and charawish. So engaged in the service, performing the service. Varish and charawish. Varish and charawish. So what was engaged in the service or performing the service? Varish and charawish. Varish and charawish. And electrified all present, which sounds quite painful. But agus hora losk for chria na hulgin. It's interesting because I always thought that gin was used with the negative, but it often gets used in positive as well. So I don't know whether that is a dialectal thing or not. Agus hora losk for chria na hulgin. So in this case, luask is used like excitement by this author. So he puts excitement under the heart of every person, essentially. So, agus hora luask fachria na hulgin. Agus hora luask fachria na hulgin. So what was electrified all present, or as I've translated it, put excitement under the heart of everyone. Agus chora losk fachria na hulgin. Agus chora losk fachria na hulgin. So what do the following sentences mean in English? Hamachria dlu naschin agus naschin. So my heart nears closer and closer. So hamachria dlu naschin agus naschin. Hamachria dlu naschin agus naschin. How about Rishan Lanish Gulachsho Nahul Blian? Towards this dear paradise every year. So Rishan Lanish Gulachsho Nahul Blian. Rishan Lanish Gulachsho Nahul Blian. Be nerved I charge. The Reverend J. Caird. I think it's Caird or Card. Probably Caird. So, be nerved I charge. Be nerved I charge. Fair Jane Sherman Hen is animal and Alban. One of the most celebrated preachers in Scotland. Fair Jane Sherman Hen is animal and Alban. Fair Jane Sherman Hen is animal and Alban. Varish and Cherwish. Who performed the service. Varish and Cherwish. Varish and Cherwish. Agus chora luask fachria na hulgin. And he electrified all present, although the all present part isn't there. It's just every person, and then who was present would be the next part. So, agus chora luask fachria na hulgin. Agus chora luask fachria na hulgin. So, how would you say in Gaelic, my heart is nearing closer and closer? Hamachria dlú nastin agus nastin. Hamachria dlú nastin agus nastin. Towards this dear paradise every year. Rishan Lanish Gulachsho Nahul Blian. Rishan Lanish Gulachsho Nahul Blian. It was the Reverend J. Caird.
Baba.
Be nuver I charge. Be nuver I charge. One of the most celebrated preachers in Scotland.
Baba.
Fair Jenna Shermanichen Senemal and Alban. Fair Jenna Shermanichen Senemal Nalaban. Who was engaged in or who was presenting the service. Varish and Cheruish. Varish and Cheruish. And he electrified everyone. Agus chora luasc fa chria na hulgin. Agus chora luasc fa chria na hulgin.